Hello guys, woo, not focusing, there we go. So yeah, good morning, this is sketch number 4 of this morning, and I believe it's maybe about sketch number 120 now, geez. So yeah, all three, well, beg pardon, this sketch took 3 minutes 20 seconds. This sketch I clearly stopped because I was not capturing it at all. Yeah, it was just, I started off with sketching the nose because I wanted to see if I could do it that way, and it didn't happen, so I stopped it because all the layout, all the proportions, everything was wrong. The only thing that did kind of slightly go right was the face shape and the mouth. The nose is just far too large, and the eye, yeah, so I just stopped it. And number 3, between number 1 and number 3 is the closest that I could get to the original reference photo. I'm really quite happy the fact that my previous sketch was again a close-up of a girl, an extreme close-up of the girl, and this one was actually tilted. So the fact that the head was tilted and the eyes were looking up, I was actually able to capture it this time. I'm really quite happy with it. So yeah, I'm not too, I'll just keep going. I think I get good days and I get bad days, and I know that's a case, and it's just a case I just need to keep going. And the more amount of practice you get, the more good days you'll get, and the more amount of times you will be able to capture what you're trying to sketch essentially. But remember, it is the foundation of art, capturing the proportions and the structure of what you're trying to capture. So yeah, let me know what you think, what you utilise, and I shall see you next time.